There we are, little one. Now, let's see. Yeah. Can you see how he kind of like has a whiskers? Kind of like, there we go. See, there we go. There we go. Hey, Bluesy, you look like you've got Santa Claus style. Sidebar, whiskers. What do you think about that? How do you do that, huh? How do you do that? I think it's kind of fascinating myself. What do you think? Huh? What do you think, my little one? Oh, you don't want to say anything to the camera? You know you're on film, don't you? Everybody's gonna love you. Yeah. I just wanted to show them all your little Santa Claus outfit. Yeah. All right then.